Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about days about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. It's at RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing to you the new and upcoming collection from Coach featuring their latest collaboration via Coach X Braindead. For prices and availability, please check the website and your CAs. Guys, I hope you enjoy our episode for today and happy shopping everyone! So the very first bag that we are going to discuss would be the Tabby 26. So from the Coach X Braindead collaboration. So this is the close-up view. So this is the classic Tabby style bag in the very beautiful and supple cowhide leather. The colorway is black, and of course the hardware is in brass tone hardware. So it comes of course with the classic Coach Tabby design. So the detachable leather strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag and even as a crossbody. And of course it comes with the Braindead detachable bag charm. Then of course guys, if you are looking for something fun and really playful, then check out this very beautiful Empire size 34. So material is cowhide leather and shearling. Colorway is pink as we could see here. And of course it comes with detachable leather strap. It comes of course with the brass tone hardware. It would come with detachable Coach tag, and of course as you have noticed, the body of the bag has the poppy design. Then of course I'm not really sure if this is the right name, but it kind of looks like the Rogue, so it could be the Rogue bag. Of course still from the Braindead collection, so very colorful design bag as we can see here. So the material is cowhide leather, colorway is blue. It would come of course with the detachable leather strap, and of course like for example the leather strips that I could see here is like the very reminiscent of the vachetta leather of LV. What do you think? Then of course guys, we have this very beautiful bag from Coach. So of course I'm going to put the name here. And what I love about this one, this can be compared to the LV Snail NM, which I truly love. I've tried this bag in person and it's really gorgeous. Not the design, but of course just the actual shape and size of the bag. So this one, the material is cowhide leather, colorway, not the official name, caramel. It comes of course with detachable strap. You could wear it as a shoulder bag and you could wear it as a crossbody. Then of course we have the classic Plaza. So this is still from the Braindead collection. So material is the Coach signature jacquard. It would come of course with cowhide leather trims. Colorway of this one is in purple. It comes with detachable bag charm, Braindead. And of course guys, close up on the Coach monogram, you're going to see the Braindead illustration, which is perfectly hidden. And of course it comes of course with the detachable leather strap. It would come in the green colorway as you can see here. So main material is the Coach signature jacquard material or fabric, then of course with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is green. So this is the close-up view. So you're noticing guys, there's a bag charm, and of course there is the signature of Braindead illustration integrated into the Coach monogram. By the way guys, if I haven't mentioned, this collaboration would be launching May 27, 2025. So definitely check with your CAs right away. Next guys, we have the Waverly bag, still from the Coach X Braindead collection. Material is cowhide leather, colorway not the official name, caramel. It has of course the Braindead sticker print as we can see. So this is the zoom or the close-up view. So we have many design. Of course it would come with detachable leather strap. Then of course if you want to be a little bit more fancy, it comes with a detachable chain strap. So next on the collaboration, this is gorgeous. So we have the soft Tabby 26, still from the collaboration with Braindead. So it comes of course in the classic Coach signature in jacquard, which is in the like the colorway mocha or latte, not again the official name. It would come with the Braindead sticker print as you can see on the entirety of the Coach Tabby. So what do you think of this one guys? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, we have the Soft Tabby 26. So a while ago, we have discussed the classic Coach signature in jacquard. So this time, it would come in the cowhide leather trim, as we can see here. So of course, the entirety of the leather, we are going to see the braided sticker print, which is so gorgeous and very unique to the collection. It comes of course with two straps. You could wear it as a shoulder bag, and of course a leather strap that you could wear as a crossbody, which I super love. Multifunctional bag. Then guys, one of my personal favorite from the collection, and actually I'm really eyeing and wanting to add this bag. So first we have the compass. This is in the 35cm lengthwise size. So the material is cowhide leather. As you can see, this is the close-up view. It comes of course with the braided sticker print. Of course, the colorway of the compass is in 35. It would also come instead of it comes with the Coach tag, and of course it comes with the braided bag charm, which is fully detachable as well. So cute. It would come in the size 25 for the compass, in the colorway, not the official name, caramel or dark caramel. As we can see, it would come with the braided signature and print on the entirety of the bag. So we have, like, I'm guessing around 8 to 10 signature in front. I see there is a star on top, super cute. It would come with a canvas strap, so you could wear this one as a top handle using the rolled leather top handle, and of course the canvas strap as a crossbody. Then this is very unique. So if you really love braided, and if of course you love, you know, Coach unique bags, then go for the head top handle. So this is close-up view. So the material is of course cowhide leather. It's in the burnish finish, as you can see. Then of course this is a bag shape, like a profile feature of a face. As you can see, it comes with top handle, and if I'm not mistaken, definitely this would come with detachable straps, so I could wear this one as a crossbody. Then of course, Empire fans, we have the Empire 21. So still from the braided collaboration. So for the braided pieces, we can see that it comes with the braided bag charm. Like, it kind of looks like a mouse, and there is like a mouse print on the center of the Empire 21. So this would also be launching May 27. So of course, this one comes with the classic design of Empire. It would come with straps, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. Then we have more plaza bags, more playful ones. So as you can see, this is color white, but instead of a small minimal braided print in front, we are going to see like a huge print of the head of the dinosaur. Guys, if you're familiar, please comment down below the name of this dino. Super cute. Then it would also come with the detachable bag charm, as we can see here. So this plaza bag would also come in the pink colorway, as you can see. So this time it is a photo or a print of a little boy, super cute. I'm not really sure, are those hairs or a horn on top of his head? Love his, you know, hairstyle as well, very unique. Of course, as you can see, the colorway of this one is like in the bright pink colorway. It would come with detachable braided bag charm, and of course the Coach tag, as you can see. Then we have the strap here, you could fully detach. Next on the collection, super cute, though, we have the Waverly twin turn lock from the Coach X braided collaboration. So material is of course the Coach canvas or the classic jacquard, signature jacquard, as we can see here. So this is the close-up view. We are going to see the braided print integrated on the Coach monogram. Are you finding that one super ingenious, guys? It's like, if you know, you know, right? Then of course, since this is a twin turn lock, it would come with the two turn lock pockets in front. Then we have two Tabby 26 here in the classic Coach signature in jacquard, it would come in two colorways. Of course, we have this one in pink, and of course it comes with the gold tone hardware, and of course it would come in like a jade green colorway, as we could see here being held by the SA. It would come of course in the gold tone hardware. So guys, are you a huge fan of the signature jacquard? Kindly comment down below. Did you enjoy our episode for today? Guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bear emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from you. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!